This is a guitar lesson teaching you how to do a few extra things with your regular D major chord. It's possible to do much more with your D major chord, even if you've been playing for over a year, even if you've already learned one or two extra bits with your D chord, and even if you already know bar chords. And if you find this lesson useful, please hit like and subscribe. It lets more people find the video and helps their playing too. Alrighty, so what is going on here is it's your regular D major chord. Now, a lot of players when they begin, they suddenly think, I have to play chords the exact same way all the time. But it was when I was, I think I was 14, one day, just joking, I moved the chord up 2 frets by accident and it sounded like this. Now it doesn't sound as good as a regular D chord, but it's not too bad either. So you can move your D major chord like up 2 frets, sounds good. You can move it up to the 7th fret. That would work. You can move it up 2 more to the 9th. So your index is on that 9th fret. That's a pretty nice sounding one. Some songs that use it would be Under Pressure by Queen and David Bowie. The Bucket by Kings of Leon. And one last one that I can think of is the Traveling Wilburys. So those are 3 songs that use it. They'll be listed in the description below. And again, you can experiment with these things. You can move them around as much or as little as you wish. Keep in mind, I could give the game away and say, this is a good fret, this is another good fret, but part of the fun in guitar is just exploring around the shapes. Like this. Doesn't sound that good, but hey, it's worth trying out these things. So, thanks so much for watching this far, and pop a comment below. Let me know how you get on with this, and I'll catch you very soon.